Title: The $7 trillion Ghost, How Private Real Estate is Building Millionaires While You Sleep. Description: forget stocks, forget bonds, forget your 401. There's a $7 trillion asset class that the ultra-wealthy have been hiding from you for decades. Private real estate investment trusts are quietly generating 12 to 15% returns for institutions, and now the doors are cracking open for ordinary investors. Here's how to get in before everyone else does. Tags: private REIT, passive income, wealth building, real estate investing, institutional investing. Script: imagine you're standing outside a 40-story glass tower in downtown Austin, Texas. This building was completed in 2022. It houses over 3,000 employees from companies like Tesla and Google. The rent from those tenants generates nearly $50 million a year. And here's the thing you haven't been told: you could own a piece of that building, not through a stock market ticker, not through a mutual fund, through something called a private real estate investment trust. And the people who already know about this are laughing all the way to the bank, while the rest of the world fights over overpriced single-family homes. Let me show you why this is the most overlooked wealth-building vehicle of the 21st century. The public markets are great if you want to trade paper, but there's a massive disconnect between what happens on Wall Street and what actually happens in the real world. In 2020, when the pandemic hit, public REITs crashed 40% in a matter of weeks. People panicked, sold everything, and locked in their losses. Meanwhile, private real estate investment trusts barely moved. Do you know why? Because private REITs don't trade on emotion. They trade on actual income from actual buildings. The rent checks kept coming, the property values stayed stable, and investors who understood this difference kept collecting their dividend payments every single quarter without losing a single night of sleep. The scale of this market will shock you. According to the National Association of Real Estate Investment Trusts, the private REIT market is currently valued at over $7 trillion. To put that in perspective, that's more than the entire GDP of the United Kingdom. And yet most individual investors have zero exposure to it. Why? Because for decades, private REITs were only available to accredited investors, people with a net